Let's learn how to recover end-to-end encrypted chats on Messenger. I will show you this tutorial on iPhone, but you can follow up with any other device you want because method is same for every phone. Now without delay, let us open our Messenger application. Once you are here, you will have to click on 3 horizontal lines in top left corner. Now click on this gear icon in top right. That will lead you to settings. Once you are here, you will see privacy and safety option. Click here and it will lead you to this page. Now at security section, click on end-to-end encrypted chats. You will see now message storage. Click here, make sure you enable that. It will first ask for your PIN. If you don't have PIN, it will lead you to process to set up a PIN and to enable message storage. Now here you will see last backup date created, and this will be a message you can use a computer to download your end-to-end encrypted message. So if you don't have these options here, you can also go back and just download every message you had with Account Center. So let us go here, click on your information in permissions. Now click on download your information. You can choose to download information, select your Facebook account. How much information do you want? We want to download only messages, so let's click on specific type of information. When this loaded, just click on messages and click on next. Select download to device and you can select the date range here. You can select up to all time since you created Facebook profile. You can select format and media quality. Now just click on create files and it will start a process. You will have to wait. It really depends. You can wait a few hours or 24 hours and notification will appear in your inbox to download these informations, and you will see every message deleted or not deleted since the creation of your Facebook account. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.